Is Shawn Josiah a scam? Hi guys, my name is Julius. I'm from earningonyourterms.com and today I'm going to talk about a guy called Shawn Josiah. So if you search for the ways how to earn money online or how to start your business online, chances are that you come across this guy called Shawn Josiah. Here I am on his YouTube channel now. You can see Shawn Josiah, the seven-figure part-timer. And in this video I'm going to talk about if he's really the guy who he's presenting himself and if you can learn something from him. So first of all, who is Shawn Josiah? You see, if you go to his website and to the perpetual income, which is one of his top niche or one of his top products, this is one of his top products, you will see that he describes himself as a seven-figure marketer who is going to help you earn money online in the quickest, simplest and easiest way. Furthermore, he also claims that he's kind of ex-developer who was inside of Netflix and who cracked the code, and that you can also do. So those are all nice talks to kind of make him trustable in your eyes, right? But in reality, he's 20-something guy who claims or who tried to be an authority in affiliate marketing. Well, let me show you if those statements are any real. One way how you can start to see if the guy is trustable is to see what kind of products he has created, right? So as I already said, one of his top products is Perpetual Income 365. Into description, you will see the written review of this Perpetual Income 365. But if you will go to this program, what is kind of very striking to the mind is that the program is basically not available anymore. I think this is already big red flag. So you can see the site can't be reached. So this is already concerning. At least for me, it will be concerning if I would like to know about this program and I see that it's not working anymore. I hope this is just a temporary issue and the program is basically still working. But what the perpetual income is doing, and not just only perpetual income, but all of his programs are basically having this bold statement. You see, for example, here how 67-year-old generated over $10,000 in less than 15 minutes without writing a single word. The next one called Email Profit Academy. This one is, as the name already says, email marketing program. Unfortunately, again, this program is already closed. What else? There is the Click Home Income. Another program says about 7 income streams where you can earn $203 a day. Some of the gigs, what he's talking about is voiceover gig, writing articles, ghostwriting. What you want to know is that this Click Home Income and the Email Profit Academy, as well as this Perpetual Income 365, they all come with covering really the basics of the stuff. So the first one is for the affiliate marketing, right? The perpetual income. The second one is email marketing, and the last one is basically a combination of some kind of online hustling. As you see below, he has created much more products, and those are just up to date. The review was written 2022 in summer. So as you see, Auto Voice Profits, Download Dollars, Income Engine, Doku Profits, Spotty Cash, Freebie Cash, just to name a few. You feel free to go ahead and check those products by yourself. But what you can see already is that all of these products are having cash in their name or quick profits, auto, so click cash, right? So all that they're trying to make it the earning money easy and attractive, but it is really not the case. Showing further, what is Shawn Josiah is going to teach you? He's going to teach you basically affiliate marketing, email marketing, and solo ads. The problem of this is that not certainly what he's teaching, because all the strategies can be very, very profitable, but how he's teaching it, right? He's teaching it very superficially to none. The value provided inside is basically equal to zero. So what are the reasons you shouldn't trust Shawn Josiah? The first big red flag for me is the fake testimonials. If you go to his websites, you will see that all the people who are saying these testimonials over there are also to be found on different products. So guys who are, for example, the perpetual income 365, they're going to be also on click home income and so on and so forth. I mean, this is very big concern, because who, as a legit owner of the program, is going to hire paid actors to promote the product, or even to really falsely claim that they used it and they liked it? Second of big red flag for me is that Shawn Josiah is this kind of serial product creator. I mean, I showed you already the products he's creating, right? Here you have already 11 products plus the 3 above, that's already 14 products. And this was just with the 4 years of his internet career. I mean, let me tell you the truth, if you want to find good quality products, the creation of the platform, or how we're gonna call it, the creation of such a program takes at least 1 year, at least. But this guy created within 4 years 14 products, and I'm sure there are more to come, because he's sending me all the time the emails, so you will see it just in a second. So that already says that the quality of the product is going to be really, really low. Another reason why you shouldn't trust him is that he's basically going to show you just paid traffic methods. That means solo ads. And these solo ads, he's going to recommend the guys who he is working with. So that means, in other words, that you are going to pay him money indirectly to place your orders, if that makes sense. And the last one, what I really find concerning, is that the program is basically low quality and there is no any kind of mentorship. You see, if you go to his YouTube channel, he's trying to create this idea of big community and how he's going to help you, and this kind of Q&A. But if you really go through these videos, I mean, you will see that there is really no any value in them.
Did you know that there is a special computer algorithm that can give you income every day and forever, as long as you know how it works? This is the secret that Mr. X, a scientist who once worked for Netflix, where he learned this secret technique.
Okay, so I hope that you see what I mean. Again, just big claims over there, no any value, and the video is not even his own voice. I mean, that's not a big deal, because many people are doing these voiceover techniques, but you can see already from the video that there is not really any kind of value behind it whatsoever. Click on the second one here, being millionaire internet marketer interview plus best advice. You can say, oh, that's a really great one, right? I will get some value from it, but let's see what you will really receive if you open the video.
Strategies, mindset, anything that's going to help us to increase the income of our business. When I first got started, I was just a pure, how do I scale my business as an affiliate? He gave me some great advice, and I took my business as an affiliate marketer all the way from $15,000 all the way to making platinum status within the next year under Mark's mentorship, and that itself speaks volume basically of my life. So I made platinum within a year, and then from then on I decided that I think a lot of people have read that book. So I have learned that I needed to be in the investor category, I, and the B quadrant, the business quadrant, and I knew that I needed to do something. And from then I've been searching for ways to make.
You see, I mean, that's just very short, low value video, and I mean, this is what you're going to get if you're going to sign up for his products. To see how are his programs working, here I am on his site, right, ShawnJosiah.com, and if you press the programs button, if you go down, you see what is going to happen if you're going to try to submit if you want to try his products, right? So perpetual income 365, I'm going to click on it. As you can see, there is some kind of really BS website, free URL shortener, nothing to do with the perpetual income, right? The second one, Email Profit Academy, basically if you're going to press on it, there is nothing going to happen at all, right? It seems like there is some kind of bug where the program is just not working. Another one, Email Profit Academy Live, temporarily unavailable, his application full, right? So you see, this is just additional sign of that this guy is basically not providing you any value. Saying that his mentorship is very low. I mean, if you go to his website, you will see the about Shawn Josiah page, and here basically he's just talking about how much money he's earning and how he made the top. Actually, with the Clickbank University. Anyway, he's claiming that he has generated over $500 in sales. You know, this is also what is very important to see. It's a sales, right? So basically, he might really create this amount of money, but that's just the sales. So that's not really his net profit. This is the sales. Meaning, if he spent $450 or $499,000 on his ads, which actually can be true, he just have a $1,000 net profit, right? So we'll never find out. So that's why don't trust everything what you see on his website. Then again, and had paid over 1.2 million in affiliate commissions. The same, right? Affiliate commissions, but how much money he spent on the traffic is not written. But you don't see any kind of information about how he's helping his students, what you should be learning, and then here again additional own diplomas and like basically pointless and meaningless Clickbank certificates, right? So, but as you see, there is nowhere written how he's helping his other students. He's just sharing this kind of prices, which again does not prove anything about how he's great at teaching you and learning affiliate marketing or email marketing or solo ads. So if you want to get great mentorship and if you want to start your business from scratch, then I would really recommend you click below in description of my video. There is community which I'm a member. You can start for free. There are members all around the world. There are more than 3 million now. The company started in 2005, so it's almost 20 years. They are not on market like this guy who is just 3 years there and already disappearing. If you see, you click on the programs he's on and he's not available. These guys are almost 20 years in the game. They know what they're talking about. There are real stories inside. People earning daily and earning a lot, and there are new updates, new trainings added literally daily if you go for the premium membership. So I really don't know any better product which is available right now online. Again, if you want to have a look, you can just try it for free. The link is below, and please, if you like this video, subscribe, share it further, and maybe I will see you inside. Cheers.